Hey guys, it's me, ThatFatCat137, and this is my first cubing video, I guess. So today I have a simple unboxing from the cubicle. They didn't send me this for free. I went on a sort of Black Friday binge buy, and I got a bunch of stuff. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Bunch of newspaper. Okay, so first we have the MoYu Weipo 2x2. I went to a competition recently, and my friend had this cube, and it turned really well. I liked it. So I went ahead and got one for myself. Let's do some first turns on it and see. Okay. Never good at getting these plastic things off. Is there a specific way, or do I just rip at it? I honestly don't know. Okay, got it. So at first it seems a little clunky, but overall it's pretty fast. So yeah, this is, if I end up liking it as much as I did at competition, it'll replace this old MoYu 2x2 as my main. The shades seem a little bit different. I'm not sure if they are, but yeah, I like the way it feels. Okay, next up we have the Rubik silk. I'd always wanted a way to, lube my cubes. So I got this, and yeah, that's going to be helpful and useful. And next we have the ShengShou 2x2 megaminx, also known as the megaminx. I heard recently that this is most likely going to be a WCA event, so I went ahead and bought one so I could get some practice on it. And it's a lot bigger than I expected it to be. Let's compare it to my normal megaminx. It's actually just about the same size, which is surprising. I thought it would be smaller because it's a 2x2. So yeah, it seems to turn nice, and I feel like I could use this easily as my main if it ends up being a WCA event, which I hope it will, because this is probably going to be pretty fun. Okay, so they also sent us a little holding device for your cubes. Which one? I'll use this one. Like that. It's a display case thing with the cubicle.us, the colored logo, and the silver logo. So yeah. Okay. Lastly, we have three TheValk 3s. One of them is for me. The other two are for my brother and my father. I already have a TheValk, but this one's stickerless and it turns pretty well. I showed it to my family and they all wanted one, but I also wanted a stickered one just because I could have one. So I'm gonna leave the two. Okay, so yeah, here it marks that this one is stickerless. So that one's, I'm gonna leave that to be unboxed. by the others once they want to. So here's the stickered one. I'm not a huge fan of the box because it's hard to get open, but I got it. Okay, so I can already tell the difference between the stickerless and the stickered. Obviously, the stickers. Let's see if there's any other major differences. Also, yeah, the shades are different. So that's going to take some getting used to. Okay, I'm always so bad at doing this. I mix it up a little bit to just, you know, there we go. Okay, I mix up a cube to not really mix it up, but to get a feel of how well it turns. And then I can't get it back to the solved state fast enough. Usually I have to resolve it. But yeah. So I like how the way this turns. I still feel like the stickerless is a bit faster, but that's because this hasn't really been fully broken in. Once I first unboxed this, not on camera, I was like, oh, this isn't as fast as I thought it would be. But once I really started playing around with it, it became very fast. Faster than my old MoYu 3x3. I don't really know the name of this because my brother got it years ago, and before I started cubing, so yeah. So this is, whoops, okay, got that, don't worry. Where did the 2x2 go? Here. So yeah, this is the loot I got from the unboxing. I think it's pretty good. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Also, quick side note, I'm going to be going to the Clifton Winter 2017 competition on January 7th. So, if you're also going to be there, I guess put it down in the comments. So, bye.